inside the last video we create this new logo, which will be an image in this case, and we eliminate the link behind the logo, and as a consequence you are not going to be able to see the logo that we were using inside the CSS style, and especially this one in here. Okay, all the CSS rule was targeting that specific link or anchor element inside the h1 element. So what you will need to do is eliminate all the CSS rule, because you are not going to need all this anymore. Backspace, and the same will happen with all this. Backspace, and there you are. Now if you notice, you are going to have this h1 hidden in here. Now of course you are going to have all these because you already installed the quick start package that I recommend you to install at the beginning of this training. Now with this logo, this ID logo, and this h1 hidden, you are going to be targeting the h1 title in here because you want to eliminate all this. Okay, let me go back. This will be the h1 hidden. Now you can apply any CSS you want. You can use any class or you can use any ID. In this case we are just going to copy all this, Ctrl C, and let's click Ctrl S to save everything. Then right click and upload, and now we are going to go back and let's go to the h1 element that we create. This will be the gray logo h1, because we are going to be inserting this class inside this h1 element. So you can either insert the class directly inside the h1, or you can go back inside the advanced option and insert this class in here. However, if you insert the class in here, you are going to be modifying this class in here. You are going to have custom -h1 hidden. In this case we are going to do this. Let's go and click on toggle editor, because you already know CSS and you are going to be able to understand all this. I am just going to insert an inline label class in here, class, then equal, and inside the quotes we are going to paste the h1 hidden. With that we are going to click on save and go back to the home page and click refresh. Now as you can see, the h1 title will be hidden. However, if we eliminate the CSS style, you are going to be able to see the h1 title in place. This will happen only when you activate, well, the h1 title will disappear only when you activate the CSS style. You will need to keep in mind that when the search engines analyze your website, they are not going to be analyzing the CSS style. What they are going to analyze will be the HTML markup behind your Joomla site, and all this will be the HTML markup as you can see in here. So let me go back, click disable styles, and for right now that will be it. The next step we are going to be doing is eliminating the CSS image, because if you analyze in here, you are going to be able to see only the text link, which will be replaced with the CSS sprite. Well, in this case with this CSS, let me go in here, this banner with the custom banner one, and this will be the image. We will need to eliminate this CSS style, and in this case this CSS rule, because again what we want to have in here in order to accomplish the mobile style is inserting the image inside the banner. So we will need to go in here and create a new custom HTML and directly insert the image in there. So let's move on and start doing that. But before going forward, we are going to click Ctrl S and upload everything. Right click and upload. Click OK, and that will be it.